Alright, we're about 10 miles from the entrance to Cape Canaveral Canal. Gonna be passing by some big cruise ships, and then once we get through the canal, we got another 8-9 miles to go to get to our anchorage, where we will probably be hanging out for, I don't know, like a week almost. Just hanging in Cocoa Beach. SR 401 bridge. This is sailing yacht Osprey. Do you copy?
This is 401. Go ahead.
Morning, Cap. I'm just coming in from the ocean, heading westbound. I'm about not even a half mile from you. You mind if I get passage?
Copy that, Captain. As soon as it's safe to do so, I'll open for you. Be advised, I can only open the northern half of the bridge.
Roger that, Cap.
Standing by or
Osprey, all clear. Thanks for the opening, Cap.
You're welcome, Captain. You and your crew have a safe journey.
We're the only ones in the lock. Had the whole place to ourselves. God damn, just ran aground right between those two fucking channel markers. So frustrating. Luckily the bottom here is all silty mud, so after a couple minutes I was able to shake my way off of it. It's just so frustrating. There's just so much going on in the intercoastal. It just makes it not pleasant. Like, why am I in here? Well, just made it to our anchorage in Cocoa Beach. Great overnight sail. Really just so pleasant and nice. And then we got back into the ICW and of course ran into problems. We had to go through a lock. We lost a fender, so we had to do a U-turn in the lock, and then couldn't grab the fender, so I had to leave the helm to go grab the fender, and then we hit the wall of the dock. I don't even know if there's any damage. I haven't even been able to look. Yep, that's bent. Cool. Fuck yeah, I love that. Then we ran aground. Go figure. Just a lot of headaches in the ICW. But we're safe now. Probably gonna spend the next 5-6 days here. Just hang out in Cocoa Beach and enjoy it. Go figure out what's around. For the sunset over the water, to be honest. I think that's it for today. I just tried to go get a shower and missed it by 15 minutes. So, going to bed smelly, go have some dinner and call it a night. Get up first thing tomorrow and it's a new day. Hopefully better than today.